Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off screen flash notifications in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on advanced settings and here in notification section click on flash notifications. Now here you will see a screen flash notifications button. So if you want to turn on the screen flash notifications, then turn on this button, and after turning on this button click on preview to check the preview of the flash notification. So this is how the screen flash notification looks like. And if you want to turn off the screen flash notifications, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can turn on or turn off screen flash notifications in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.